Hello and welcome to FIXtastic Contents. In this video I will show you how to check if you got a very bad wet belt or it's about to break. Yes, so stay tuned and I will show you how to check this on your Peugeot 208. Right guys, so this is what you need to do. Alright, this is the oil cap. I want you to unscrew this, remove this, and then if you zoom in you can see your wet belt. Yes, so it's called a wet belt. It's not a timing, well it's a timing belt, but it's because it's inside the oil where the oil cap is. It's a wet belt. As you can see, it's crackling there. Can you see there's a lot of cracks? So this cam belt, wet belt, is about to break, is defective. So look, as you can see, there's lines there, there's cracks. So that's how you know when your wet belt is about to foul and you need to replace it as soon as possible. You see them lines here? That means it's bad. So this is where your wet belt is, and to check you need to look if there's any cracks on your wet belt. I hope this video has helped you. Please like and subscribe to the channel and I will catch you on the next one. Please comment below if this video has helped you.